Good morning, students. In last class, we studied about the distribution of the population density in the world and the population density found in the maximum Monaco and Macau. Clear? And here the world population density is 47 person per square kilometer. Now here factors affecting population density. Factors affecting population density. So here divide the population density factors about affecting population density in two parts: physical factors and the economic factors. Physical factors and the economic factors. In physical factors, we study about the all these physical features directly affect the population density. And the suitable physical features like here the in mid latitude plain regions where the population density found high, ठीक है, and where here the unsuitable condition, unsuitable climate, unsuitable soil, here the not availability of the water, there here the population density found the low. Then economic factors where the economic sectors attract the population density, where the income sources and the suitable condition for the income, these regions are attract the population. So here minerals, urbanization, industrialization, social and the cultural factors are in the economic factors, and in physical factors, location, availability of the water, climate and soil are included in physical factors. Now we start about the physical factors. Physical factors affect the population density. Physical factors affect the population density. First of all, here the location. So location also affect the population density, where here the plain regions, low slope region found here the high population density. These are provide the land for the agriculture and the many work. So here high population density found in this region, and high slope regions, mountainous region where here the unsuitable conditions for the living. So low population found in this region. Mountain and the hilly regions. Clear? Next here, availability of water. So water is life. First of all, for the survival on the earth, here the required oxygen air, and second here the required water for survival on the land. So first of all here availability of the water, where water available in this region, population density found high. The starting of the origin of the human settled nearby river valley region. All these civilization also developed nearby river valley regions, like here the Indus river valley region, like Nile river valley region in Africa, in Mesopotamia river valley region, and Hangu river valley region. All these civilizations are developed nearby the river valley region, because here they found the water, and then here found the water for survival of the human, here the availability of the water, and for the agriculture also here the availability of the water. So here found the population. So now where the availability of the water found high population density, and these places have no water, their population found very low. Clear? The population resides in river valley areas because availability of the water found here. Clear? Next step, climate. So climate also directly and indirectly affect the population density. Where the hot and cold region where the high rainfall region are not suitable for the living. So here found low population density. Here not human settlement found. Then the where pleasant climate, suitable climate found in these region, population found high population found in the suitable climate region, and unsuitable climate region found the low population. Next are the soil. So soil also affect the population density, where the fertile soil here the high production in this soil, high population density found in this region, and like here the desert soil, their population found very low. ठीक है, तो fertile soil area here the dense population, and intensive agriculture found. So here location, availability of the water, climate, soil, all these are affect the population density. ठीक है, all these factors are affect the population density, and here economic factors also affect the population density. First here mineral, so mineral also affect the population density, where the mineral, then here the for employment, many people gathered here nearby the minerals या nearby the mines. ठीक है, availability of the minerals attract the industries, and mining and industrial activities create employment, and many workers reach to these places for earning money and make the population dense in this region. For example, Katanga copper belt. Katanga copper belt in Africa. Here Katanga copper belt in Africa, mineral found here the copper, then here the population increase day by day. In this region, main region of high population density, here found the minerals. Next here urbanization. Urbanization are the main reason. Urbanization also the main reason for economic factors या factors affecting population density in urban region. Here the found the suitable found here the many facilities in villages, no their employment, then they migrate to the cities. Urban regions attract the population. What is urbanization? Here the increase the population of the city and the area of the city, that is called the urbanization. And the in urban cities, here the many type of facilities found, and they attract the person, and the village the urban increasing day by day, that is called urbanization. ठीक है, urbanization, good opportunity of employment, better education, better medical facilities, transport and communication facilities provides in the cities. These facilities attract the population. Clear? Next, industrialization also affect the population density. These regions where industries established, then here the many worker for employment come here, and for provide them facility. जो worker हैं उनको facility provide कराने के लिए many other like the doctor, teachers, and many services are provide for the employees create here, and here the population increase day by day. So industrialization also attract the population density, where industry, then population density found the high population density. And the last, social and the cultural factors also affect the population density. Social and cultural factors also affect the population density. Religion, political thought, government effort, social culture, and main factors for affecting population density. Clear? Here religion, political thought, government effort, social culture, and main are the main factors for affecting the population density. Clear? First of all, here the physical factors, economic factors, and social and the cultural factor. All these are where the suitable condition for the living, population density found high, then here the unsuitable, then population density found low. Location, availability of the water, climate, soil, all these are the affect the population density. And also these region, these factors, minerals, urbanization, and the industries also affect the population density. And social and the cultural factor also, where non-violence, these region non-violence, here the same religion people, same religion persons are living there. So these regions also affect the population density. In examination, here the question of 60 words describe the factors affecting the population density. Yeah, mention the factors affecting the population density. Then we can answer here only 4 जो भी आपको easy लगे ना. First here the location लिखा, फिर 2 line about this, फिर availability of water 2 line about this, then minerals, then 2 line about this, and urbanization 2 lines about this. ऐसे आपको क्या करना है, अप्रोक्स 4 पॉइंट लेके उनको एक्सप्लेन करना. दैट इज द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन.